friends, in previous video I have shown you SQL Server Management Studio version information. In this video I am going to show you what are the features available in the SQL 18 version. Database security same, server object, you can see backup devices, endpoint, system endpoint, database mirroring, service provider SOAP and TSQL. Replication is local publication and local subscription. Polybase always on high availability than managements. SQL management, policies management, data collection, resource governor, extend event session, maintenance plan is for backup, reindexing, cleaning the previous old backup, and many things you can plan under the maintenance plan. SQL Server log, you can see under the SQL Server log, daily database mail, data distribution, transaction spool, integration service catalog, then SQL Server agent. All scheduled job you can enter the job and job activity monitor, alerts, operators for proxies. Under proxies, this you can see all proxies things, and error logs, accident profiler standard and TSQL. Then you can see Windows features here all. Then tools, Azure Data Studio, database tuning, profiler, migrate Azure, code snippets manager, external tool, import export setting, customize, check for update and project. View is like same as previous version. Edit is also same in file. Connect, disconnect, save all. It's same like previous. When you will use it, then you will know what are the benefit than old version and how performance for this version. Best of luck for using new version of SQL. Thank you. Bye bye. Please subscribe.